Well, on to this now. The healthcare sector unions in the Northwest are calling for the suspended nurses at Mahikeng Provincial Hospital to be brought back to work. Some community activists have joined the march at the hospital in support of the suspended nurses for using cardboard boxes to put newborn babies instead of incubators. It's reported that there's a shortage of incubators at the hospital. Let's catch up now with our reporter, Refiloe, Seboko, who joins us live from Mahikeng. Refiloe, good morning to you. I see you are on the move with the marchers. Just give us a total number of nurses that have been suspended, because the understanding is that it's the nursing manager who has been suspended. Are there more people on suspension?
Well, Collie, right now we know that not more nurses that are on suspension is the nursing manager that is on suspension, but also remember that the Department of Health in the Northwest Province had indicated its intention to suspend more nurses, in particular nurses that were on duty when that incident happened on Saturday. But we are hearing Nehau together with Denosa here who are also still stuck in meetings with management of the hospital, who are calling for the nurse who has been suspended, and also the intention of the department to suspend more nurses to not be implemented. But also they have raised an issue of saying that the challenges that are here in Mahikeng Provincial Hospital have long been there, and them as the unions of the healthcare officials have raised their concerns previously, but the Department of Health in the Northwest Province had not done anything about those challenges that were raised. Also, what they are saying is that what were the nurses expected to do at that time when the children, the babies were there, and there were shortages of incubators and cribs, and then they had to come up with another plan. And they're saying that there's these nurses that you are seeing here, they had came up with another plan of making sure that those babies are accommodated, but also saying that they don't want any more suspensions to happen. They are calling on the MEC, Madoda Sambata, to come to the Mahikeng Provincial Hospital here. They are also saying that they have made that arrangement with the nurses. But let me hear what this lady has to say. I don't know if there will be those that will be willing to speak to us here, but some of them are not willing to speak to us, saying that Nehawi and also Denosa, who are here, they will speak on them. Let's just put on a disclaimer there to our viewers, because that song has some vulgar words, but the concerns of nurses here, you see that the frustration of these members of Nehawi and also Denosa who are here. Nursing Indaba as well, we also understand that representatives from Nursing Indaba are also here. They are still stuck in the meeting together with the CEO of Mahikeng Provincial Hospital to come up with solutions to these challenges that are not just now because of this incident of babies that were put on boxes, but because of some of the challenges that were raised previously. They were also calling that they want the MEC to come here. There had been an indication that MEC Madoda Sambata has indicated that he will meet with them at 2 o'clock today, but also they've got some feedback to say the MEC says now he will meet them at 5 o'clock today. They are saying that they want the MEC to come here to address their challenges, to come up with what is going to be the plan, and also that nursing manager who's been put on precautionary suspended to be brought back at work, because according to them, they did nothing wrong, because they had to come up with another plan, considering that there's an issue of shortage of incubators here at Mahikeng Provincial Hospital.
Refiloe, Seboko, thank you very much for that update.